two, three, four.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you
Sorry. Good morning, guys. So today we are packing up and going back home. It is the day after my competition, and that is Ian. It's, so early. He always wakes up really early, guys. But look at this view. It's so pretty outside. I'm gonna miss this. Yay! We got silver. So close to gold, but anyways, we had fun, guys. We fought really hard. Like, they won the first set, we won the second set, and then they won the third set. But it was really close because the score was 14-16. And anyways, we had fun, so that's all that matters. And all the tiredness and exhaustion from trying to take care of Iron and playing and all the bruises is worth it. So yeah, I had a really good weekend and I had a really good stay here. So I actually didn't vlog as much as I wanted to because, oh guys, it was so exhausting. I had to, between my breaks, I had to take care of Iron. I had to feed him. My sister was there to help me, but it was still so exhausting. Between breaks, I would have to look after him. But anyways.
ha.